Hey guys, it is Patrick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am making another Starbucks copycat recipe for you guys. You guys love these videos and I keep them coming. We're kind of popping them out. But today's drink, I don't think you're ready for. This came on the menu, maybe like a year or so ago, and it kind of took over. And they have stayed on it, surprisingly. Sometimes Starbucks just adds things and then takes them away, but these, they are still here. They are still here. We don't know for how much longer, but they're here for now. So in today's video, I am going to be making the iced, I always forget the names of Starbucks drinks. It's too many words. Oh, the iced Guava Passionfruit drink. Oh, they could have done a lot better with that. Where's the creativity? But yes, this is what we are making today. There are a lot of elements here, but I'm going to break it down. It's super easy. You can do this. Anyone can do this. And if this is your favorite drink, why not learn how to make it from home so that you don't have to depend on Starbucks? So I do have the inside scoop, but some ingredients are a little bit like not readily accessible, so we are doing the best we can with what we have. We're being very resourceful, very creative, and I have the perfect recipe for you. Okay, so the elements of this drink are ice, guava juice, coconut milk, and pineapple ginger syrup. Now, you can't just go to the store and buy like pineapple ginger syrup, so obviously we're going to have to make it, but it is so easy. Do not worry. I have it all figured out for you, so let's go ahead and start with that. Okay, so the two ingredients for this pineapple ginger syrup are pineapple juice and ginger. Yes, it is literally that easy. So let me explain my reasoning behind this. So for this pineapple ginger syrup, it's pretty much like the consistency of a simple syrup, which if you don't know what that is, it is literally half sugar and half water. But I don't really feel the need to add more sugar to this because pineapple juice is already so sweet already. So this has the water in it, this has the sugar in it, so we are just good to go, and all we really need to do is add a little bit of ginger flavor. So I just picked up some ginger paste. This is super easy, you can just stir it in. Oh my gosh, I literally just found out I already bought this, so I'm kind of stuck with it. But I found out that Whole Foods has ginger juice. This would make your job even easier. So literally just stir in the ginger juice to the pineapple juice and you're good to go, very juicy. But this also works. And you could also just use like fresh ginger, chop it up and like let it soak in the pineapple juice. There are a lot of different ways you can do this because ginger comes in so many different forms. So whatever you have, you can make it work. Thank goodness though, this syrup does keep in the fridge. So you don't have to make this every single time you make this drink. You can pretty much just make a really big batch of syrup and then keep it in the fridge and use it when you want to become the barista of the world. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't know if you have seen my early Starbucks videos. I was constantly struggling with a can opener. So I did go ahead and invest in a like automatic can opener and it has saved my life. Literally someone left a comment and I'm so glad I listened to them. They said, buy one, trust me. I trusted them and I'm thankful for it. So let me go ahead and open this and we'll get started. Ooh, I still don't really know how this works. It still baffles me, but maybe one day I'll learn. Ooh, okay, so I think you just, huh? Oh, and we have our pineapple juice. Perfect. I'm obviously not going to use this entire can, but I'm just going to pour a little bit of it into a glass measuring cup. Thank you for your service. Okay, so I have like 1.5 cups of pineapple juice in here, and this kind of just depends on how much ginger flavor you want. I like my things very gingery, so I'm going to squirt in quite a bit, but literally just adjust. And if you don't like ginger, literally just leave it out. I mean, that's the bonus of making this stuff at home. You can really choose what you want to add and what you don't want to add. So this is quite a bit of pineapple juice and it is very sweet, so I do kind of want to cut through the sweetness. So I'm going to add in like a tablespoon of the ginger paste. Ginger is just so good. It's spicy, but it's like a different kind of spicy. Like it's not like hot spicy. It's like, I don't even know how to describe it. It is just its own entity. And it kind of just adds another element to this drink. Like all the other things are very just like light and refreshing, and this kind of just adds a little bit of depth of flavor that I think this drink really needs. Okay, perfect. So this is literally my pineapple ginger syrup all ready to go. So let's get going on the other elements of this drink. Okay, so obviously we need to bring in the guava juice element of this drink. And you guys, I know, are not ready for this. This is probably the wackiest like ingredient substitute I've used before, but I really do think it works here. Just trust me. So for that element, we are using capri-sun strawberry guava juice. Yes, this has the guava flavor. This has really good fruity flavor. This is just the perfect thing that kind of mimics the guava juice at Starbucks, and it's so easy to find. This is what it looks like. It's like Capri-Sun Adventures. The Target people like stomped on it, so love that for me. And this comes with 10 pouches, so you can make a lot of Starbucks drinks with this box. And who does not love a good Capri-Sun? So let's tear into this. So I'm gonna be making a Trenta drink today, and the juice boxes are 6 fluid ounces each. So I'm actually going to use 2 juice boxes. Oh my gosh, okay. So yes, this is what they look like. They have the classic yellow straw that we love to see, and this is our juice. Perfect. Let's set this aside and get to building this drink. Okay, so I'm going to build this drink in a NutriBullet like little blender cup, and they actually have a shaker lid, so it's literally perfect for this. But use any little shaker device you have, it'll work. How am I gonna do this? Oh, maybe I can stab it and then like squirt it. Oh my gosh, perfect. Second juice box going in. And this is literally making the largest size drink at Starbucks, but if you want a smaller drink, I'm sure you could literally just use like 1 juice box. Okay, perfect. So we have our guava juice in here, and we obviously have our pineapple-y, gingery mixture here. So I'm going to go ahead and add in maybe like 4 tablespoons of this. I want there to be a lot of pineapple and ginger flavor, and it's gonna bring it. So we're gonna do 4 tablespoons or 2 ounces. Perfect, love that color. And then the last element we have to add in is coconut milk. I love the So Delicious unsweetened organic coconut milk. This is not sponsored, but this is my favorite coconut milk. Be sure to use like the carton coconut milk and not the coconut milk in a can. It's different, just trust me. This is just a lot better for this drink, so be sure to pick it up. And also, I would highly recommend going with an unsweetened one. The juice is pretty sweet and the pineapple syrup is sweet, so we don't want this being too sweet, so that's why I recommend the unsweetened version. And now I'm just going to pour in some coconut milk. Oh my goodness, you guys. This looks so pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to add in some ice, and we are about to, oh my gosh, you guys, we have our ice in here. Now I'm just going to screw on the shaker lid, and this is literally exactly how they do it at Starbucks. We are mimicking the technique, mimicking the ingredients. We got it. So this is all shaken up, so let's go ahead and pour this into our Starbucks cup. Oh my gosh, I already know this is going to be so good. This is the perfect summer drink. Literally so refreshing, so fresh, so amazing. Okay, let's pour this in. Look at that. Perfect, okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, this looks like so refreshing and so creamy at the same time. It's very conflicting, but it makes sense. It makes sense. Okay, let's see how good this tastes. I already know it's gonna be good. Okay, girl, you cannot tell me that this is a Capri-Sun, that this is a Capri-Sun, but like bougie. Okay. Ooh. Oh my gosh, okay, oh my gosh, okay. This is really, really good. Okay, the juice is the perfect element. It provides the fruit, it provides the basis for it. It has coconut milk in it, but it's not like, it's like pretty thin. Like, it's very refreshing, it's very just drinkable for the summer. It's not like a rich, over the top like winter drink. No, it's very much summer, spring, and the surprising element that's coming through is a lot of pineapple. The pineapple ginger syrup definitely makes this drink. I don't think it would be that good without it. I'm definitely getting a kick of ginger, a kick of pineapple, and then the guava is kind of on the back burner. Guava isn't like a super intense flavor. It's very much like a background, like just not a main character. That's definitely the role she's playing in this drink, but coconut milk just makes every single drink so good. I understand completely why Starbucks uses coconut milk in their refresher drinks because it's just so refreshing. Wow, okay. I'm so impressed. I am so proud of myself for cracking the code. If you guys love this drink from Starbucks, you will love this drink right here. You have to make it for yourself. I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. Be sure to try it out. You will not regret it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you loved it, be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos, and be sure to follow me on Instagram. And if you want to support my channel, consider becoming a patron on my Patreon. And thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.